The old system was all paper-based. Now it's all automated. So everything is within the same database that existed before. Now it's integrated to the system. That has caused us to have tablets. We put in some touch screens, monitors throughout the facility. We're pilot testing with a roving computer to see if there's value added for them to be able to do it on a real computer versus a tablet. Now the data that they were doing manually, writing it on paper, they're scanning. So now there's less errors. Typos, it's not legible, you put the wrong date, or you missed a signature, those are all gone. Now the end result is when they finalize the batch record and it gets ready for release and they do a release review of the product, it takes them way less time. And if they do find an error, the error is now able to be fixed with the production floor doing it from the floor. When the EBR is 100%, which means production has completed, Dot Control reviews the batch record. We had one released this morning, less than an hour after the batch record completed production, it was audited. So we've eliminated anywhere from 7 to 10 days out of a paper process.